Welcome to a Cranky Gamers UK video review. I'm going to be taking you through Spore today, and we're going to be looking at the cell stage. When you enter Spore, you're shown the galaxy map. Here you can select the planet which you want to begin your species on. You can select from 5 different stages, but need to unlock them first. These are cell stage, creature stage, tribal stage, civilization, and space. You get a bit of a choice at the start. You can either be a herbivore or a carnivore. And if you've played before, you can select similar colours to your other species. You can then select the difficulty, and finally name your planet. So our meteor has crashed down onto the planet, and inside is you. Controls are quite simple. You just hold the left mouse button and your little creature follows wherever you click. This is a very basic stage. You're just basically going around collecting little chunks of meat or bits of plant if you chose a herbivore, and you're trying to build up the XP bar at the bottom to just level up your creature. You'll soon notice that there's plenty of other life forms in the scene as well, which are either trying to kill you or trying to steal all the food as well. And this brings us to the point of the cell stage really. You're just trying to collect DNA to change your creature, to evolve it into something different, something much more survivable. By collecting these DNA things, you can now send out a mating call to another one of your species. And when you find them, it loads up the creature creator screen, which anybody who's actually used the demo or actually bought the creature creator will be very, very much at home here. And this is kind of the genius of Spore. I mean, you've got quite a simple interface here, it's very easy to use. You've got your different ways of feeding yourself, you've got your different ways of defending or attacking, you've got speed, things that make you get away quicker, and you've got different types of vision. This is quite limited to the full one, but you do get a lot more later, and as I said, if you collect more things you will unlock more as well. Changing the shape of your creature is quite simple. You just click and drag, you can move things around, make them bigger and smaller just by using the mouse wheel. You can also change the colour and the look of your creature. I mean, this is again a very easy user interface. You can just click on the simple design you like and then click on the colour, and your creature then ends up looking like that. And this bit's quite important. This is the first time you actually get to name your creature, so you've just got to choose well. Back out into the big wide world with your new evolutionary changes, but the other creatures also change as well. Moving on a bit, you can see that there's plenty more life forms in the sea, more things for you to eat, and more things to eat you. The whole cell stage is quite short and sweet. It shouldn't really take you more than 5 to 10 minutes to complete, but it's a nice introduction to the system and gets you ready really for the rest of the game. And eventually you'll collect enough XP and enough new bits of DNA to actually move on from this cell stage. You can have a look at the little timeline at the bottom and see how your creature has evolved through this little short stage. And that's it, that's the cell stage complete. Moving on now to get some legs.